Okay. We're doing the dance of the superstring, and we're going to be using numbers to explain this. We have two hands, meaning two ends of the string. So one hand or two hands is the first number. The second number is 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5, which means the number of circles per cycle. So we're going to have Shiva Kumar hold up a number like that, 1 times 1, which means one hand times one circle per cycle. Notice I'm just doing a circle, but it's one hand times one circles per cycle. Now I'm doing one hand times two circles per cycle. So I'm doing a figure 8, one on one side, one on the other. 1, 2. Okay, now what we're going to do is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 on the cross and 1 on the outside. So it's 1 times 3. It's one hand times 3 circles per cycle. Now I'm going to do two hands, and I'm going to do one circle with each hand. 2 times 1. 2 times 1. And that's just like a jump rope. And you can modify that into a jump rope cross. And that would be a 2 times 2, and it would be 180 degrees out of phase. That means the cycles are completely opposite, and notice one arm is on top. But look, I tilted my shoulders, and now I'm doing one on the cross, and then uncross. So I'm doing a chase. This is 90 degrees out of phase rather than 180. So it's called a chase. Notice one hand's on top, and then the other. So now I'm doing 2 times 3. I'll change again. Now it's balanced. One's on top, the other hand's on top, one's on top. 2 times 3. 2 hands times 3 circles per cycle. 2 on the cross and 1 on the outside. It's 2 times 3. When you're doing 2 times 3, you can modify it. Look, you lift the elbows, you can go into different motions, and so you have 2 times 3 variety. You have a halo and a 2 times 3 Shiva, and all sorts of different things. You can add in extra circles and stall out, and so it's 2 times 3 plus a bunch of variety of stalls. And now I'm doing 2 times 3 forward, and I'm turning my body inside the pattern, so I'll end up in a 2 times 3 reverse. So I'm going forward, now the pattern's going reverse. It would hit me in the face this way, and if I turn around the other way, and the same pattern would now hit me in the knees. Reverse and forward, 2 times 3 reverse. Now I'm going to go into 2 times 3 hyper. I'm just going to start spinning and keep spinning. I could go faster and faster and faster and faster and faster, and this could be the Big Bang. It's the mathematics for the universe to start a highly ordered beginning so that the whole universe could do the second law of thermodynamics and fall apart. So look, I can go left and right with those. Now I'm doing 2 times 5. 5 circles per cycle with each of 2 hands. 2 times 5. This is the end of the possibility spectrum. With that 2 times 3 hyper, you have a Big Bang, and then you go into probability spectrum. It's quantum physics, and then you manifest your universe starting with your periodic table. Now we're doing a 2 times 5 Shiva. Notice I lift the kneecaps, and if you use a strobe light, you'd see multiple arms, you'd see multiple objects flying around. 2 times 5 Shiva. And then if you mix all these little pieces together, in Mexico, I would call it the dance of the jejenes. Jejenes are no-seeing bugs, so when you got jejenes all over, you're dancing, just moving around. And so this is a 2 times. This is all the combinations. So combine the dance of the jejenes. And it's just the dance of the superstring. And we can talk about each little piece in there mathematically, like a Fourier complex. Look, a monkey just walked by. He's looking, stop, look, it's on cue. Nice. So thank you to Shiva Kumar for filming this and putting this online and doing all this. And Shiva and I are having a good couple weeks here together in Omkarscience, India. And there we're just going to bail out because it's time to go. Thank you for the good time. We'll see you next fall.